G'day YouTube, this is Geeky Dad back again to show a new product. This is a Sunhood and a controller protector for the DJI Mini 3. This is a product from SunnyLife and I just received it today and I haven't opened it yet, so we'll get to have a look and see how this works. So what do we have? Okay, so we've got a bit of foam, chuck that out. Okay, cool. So you've got a couple of screws and it has some air vents behind to let your controller breathe. And let's try installing it. Okay, so I'll stick that in the back. And gotta get these screws out. Should have done that before. Okay. That is super simple. How great is that? And there you have it. So the great thing about this is that you don't need to take off your controller items here. Oh, this sort of comes off. You've got to be careful with that. Does it? No, it's fine. So when you're pulling it off, you've got to be sort of hold the back here as well. Okay, so it's I don't know if this is ever going to snap at some stage if you don't hold it back, because it does flex a little bit. But I think if you're careful enough, it'll stay put. So this is a pretty good sun hood. You don't need to take these little knobs off and lose them. Yeah, it gives you, I guess, reduce a bit of that glare from the sun if you need to. How many positions does it have? So we've got one position, two, which doesn't work. It's only one position, guys. Clicks up and that's about it. If you click it down, it will not hold down. So you have to have that sort of one. Let's see how it fits in the bag. Yep, fits nice and snug. No issues there. And pulls out quite easily. Now what I want to do is for this case that I bought for my drone, I had a couple of these different size inserts. What I want to do is I'll go dig out the one that's a lot taller than this, which raises it, which means I can then put this in and I can have another storage compartment underneath for something else, like a charging brick, so I don't need to overload the netting that I have over here. And what's great about that as well is I'm not going to worry about my screen getting cracked by anything else above it. So I used to just have this upside down in here to keep the screen protected, which means I didn't want to put anything on top. At the same time, I couldn't really put anything on bottom. So let's try that out. So here's the other insert that came with the case. So you can see one's considerably thicker than the other. Now what I wanted to do is, if I put the thicker one in here, it gives me additional storage space here, and then I can stick my controller on top. Let's see how that goes. What do I have in here? Charger and the USB cigarette lighter charger. That's already taken a lot of space out of my netting over here because they'll bulge out sometimes and I have to move it around. And if I put my controller on top, that's snug, that's not going anywhere. And nothing's going to damage that anymore if I Oh, that's pretty cool. That's very neat. I am liking that. Do I have any other options? What if I put it upside down? Even upside down works, guys. Even upside down works. So, yeah, I like putting my screen upside down if I need to, and well, that's how I had it before, so nothing scratches it. But either way, I'm not sure what's going to be better. I guess what I also have in order is a lanyard for it, and that needs 2 screws to go into there for the lanyard to attach to. So it'll probably have to be this way, because if I put it upside down, that's going to get covered. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think this is going to work out well. What I need to do from here is take it out on a sunny day and see how much glare this actually stops. But I haven't lost access to any of the controls. All the vents and holes, they're all open and exposed. So what I'll do is, as I said, I'll test it on a sunny day, and I'll stick in the comments an update just to see what I think about it after using it in the real world. It's been raining here in Sydney lately, so it's not the best weather to go flying a drone. But yeah, so I'll stick the comments in there for you all. And yeah, if you guys want to see more tech stuff and what's going on and new purchases that I might splurge on from time to time, like, subscribe, hit that bell, all the standard YouTuber chat, and we'll see you in the future. Thank you very much. Bye.